Over 100,000 people saw the In My Mind girl, but what they didn't see was the woman behind the camera almost breaking. Episode 13 was something else. It almost made me quit. This is how I saved my peace. Alright guys, so we're actually there at the Black Factory right now, and we are shooting the viral In My Mind versus Real Life series. We want to see what actually come out for the actual scene. Forget the setting for now. I don't know, we have to make the thing real and we have to make it right. See there? Yeah, vibes. Guys, me that shoot with my camera, you know, but guess what now? The exposure out is too bright. I tell you the truth, you know. I don't know. I get the camera and I think I know to set the settings them 100%. Every time I come out somewhere and it's way too bright, like it just make... I don't know if you know watch the vlog them from the other day. I want to see somebody click them just extra wide. I'm not that wide. I'm not. You know, but yeah, we're there. They're the Black Factory. And today we are the 2 episode full now. We're gonna do episode 16. Yeah, we're gonna do episode 16 and 17. I don't know what I might do after that, but I don't want to long it out. I don't want to stretch it out. If you don't love it, depending on what the reaction is like, I may continue, but I might continue it in a one different way, because you know we're very creative and we can think of things. Alright, so yeah, I just want to show them me past set today, and that is it. We're gonna shoot the content full now. Alright, go and keep it showing. We just gonna shoot one scene and we're gonna jump in on one different scene, you know. You see Alicia, she have played the role of the contractor, she have played the role of the friend, she have played the role of everything right now. You see me? Someone don't want to feel like say content creator world easy. It's very hard to come with a lot. Sometimes you and the cameraman catch up because you get direction and them frustrated. You know, sometimes you're out in the sun, sometimes you're thirsty. This role is not easy, guys. So you might see sometimes a 1 minute video and think I just take up the camera and go. It's a lot of work and you have to really dedicate it and love it for doing it. Anyway, we're on the seat same way and we're going to shoot our next set right now, later. People may think it's just one outfit and a vibe, but it's multiple changes, hot degree heat, and a mass of production. I hit the 100k mark on my series skit for the first time, and instead of celebrating, I felt empty. I knew I needed to disappear for a second. Sometimes you have to leave the city to hear the voice in your head. St. Thomas this week was that place for me. It's raw, it's rugged, and it doesn't care about your follower count. We've talked about the 120k blueprint and the superhost life. Well, that's to come. But the realest thing I can tell you today, success is a marathon, not a sprint. I've realized lately that the engine is smoking. You can't keep floorboarding the gas. You have to pull over. If you don't reschedule a reset, your body and your mind will reschedule a breakdown for you, and that bill is way more than any maintenance fee. Alright guys, so we decided on going to Grampa Falls. Being a CEO isn't just about the money every day. It's about the mental clarity every day. If I'm not good, then the vision isn't good either. Grampa Falls is the first time I'm coming to Grampa Falls, so I'm taking you guys with me because I don't know the badness come down. I never shown them my feet, but I don't know it already. I want to tell them and I want to try. Yeah, one halo skirt set. Yeah, we're outside like how we won the place. Y'all are free, but them can't touch base car. When I beg like, when I beg cloud, everyone got them up top about. Real top girl when I need shout out. Clean every time when I left out. When I take check, when I take first step in the room, vibes get loud. Them girls struck them and run them out. Y'all face press them out. You don't know about this come, you know. When Alicia, Amor, and the One Love Nation. Welcome to Grampa Falls. Yeah. Yeah, 141k on the viral video, and don't know, we have to take a reset and come out and, you know, just enjoy nature as we always do, because you know me as an island girl. I will love the river and beach badness. Yeah, so it come down. So come on, we're gonna take you guys with me. Bye. I'm out here at the river finding my center again. But I want to know, how do you guys reset when life gets too loud? When the pressure to perform or build gets too heavy, where do you go? Tell me in the comments, because I'm looking for new ideas for my next escape. The river doesn't rush, yet still everything gets done. Coming to St. Thomas reminded me that the blueprint isn't about a building. It's about building a life I don't need a vacation from. The In My Mind girl is a character, but the woman you see here, she is the one making all the real moves. If you missed how this whole maintenance fee drama started, or why the waste time man is still blowing up my phone while I'm trying to find my peace, then you need to watch the last video right here. It explains the madness before the calm. Next week, the dust is gone and the CEO is officially in the building. We're moving from the site to the suite. Subscribe and turn on the bells, because Alicia's Airbnb era is about to be a problem. Money every day, peace every second. Want it. You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.